In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail profile picture. Whether you're looking to personalize your account or simply want to give it a professional touch, updating your Gmail profile picture is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in and make sure your email account represents you just the way you want. First off, you'll want to start by opening any web browser on your computer and navigating to your Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're inside your Gmail, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see a small circle icon, which is either showing your current profile picture or a generic avatar if you haven't set one yet. Click on that circle, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you will find an option that says Manage your Google account. Select this, and it will redirect you to the Google Account Management page. Here, you'll see various tabs along the left side of the page. Look for the one labeled Personal Info. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're on the Personal Info page, browse around a bit and locate the Profile section. This is where you can make changes to basic information like your name, birthday, and most importantly for us, your profile picture. Once you've found the Profile Picture section, go ahead and click on the camera icon next to it. This will allow you to upload a new photo. At this point, a window will pop up giving you the option to either upload photos directly from your computer or choose one from your photos collection linked to your Google account. If you're uploading from your computer, simply click on Upload Photos, then drag and drop the image you want to use. Make sure your picture fits well within Google's guidelines. It should be square in shape for the best display results. Now that you have your new picture ready, you can adjust the cropping to ensure it looks just right. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click on Set as Profile Photo, and there you have it. Your new profile picture is now set. It's worth mentioning that sometimes it can take a little while for your new profile picture to appear across all Google services, so just be patient. If you ever want to change it again or update other details on your Google account, you can follow similar steps. With this knowledge, you now have the ability to make your Gmail account truly yours. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to add a profile picture to your Gmail account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy emailing!